Hi guys, today we're going to talk about how you can add an event to your Google Calendar. The first thing you're going to need to do is get to your Google Calendar, and if you don't know how to do that, from your email spot here, if you look in the upper right, there are 9 squares. If you click on those 9 squares, this is Google's new way of organizing a lot of the websites they have. From here you can get to Google Search, you can get to your Gmail, your Google Drive, and also your calendar, which is what we're interested in. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the calendar, and a new web page will open up that is actually my Google Calendar. To create an event, we're simply going to click on the day that we want to create the event and add the information. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and create an event for what I'm doing right now. I'm creating a Google Calendar tutorial, and I'm doing it on Friday, April 4th. So on Friday, April 4th, I'm simply going to click in that box, and a box pops up where I can give it some information. So what I'm going to say here is create a Google Calendar tutorial, and that's going to be my event here. I can also choose what calendar I want it to go on. It will default to your personal calendar that comes with your Gmail account, but if you have more than one calendar, all your calendars that you have access to will show up here. I could put it on Tammy's calendar if I wanted to. So I'm going to leave it right here to go on my default calendar, and the next 2 buttons here are kind of important. This create event here, if I click that, it's simply going to make it an all-day event. Boom, I'll click it, it's on my calendar, I'm good to go. The edit event will let you get a little bit more specific about the event, and that's what we're going to do right now. So I'm going to click on edit event here, and a box opens up, or a page opens up, and here you'll see there's the title, create a Google Calendar tutorial. It is on today's date. You'll see this box right here is checked as all day. That's because it defaults to that. If I want to make a specific time for a meeting, I can uncheck that box, and now you see that these things came up. Well, it's about 10:29 right now, so I'm going to create my event at 10:30. I'm just clicking in this box, going down to 10:30, and I'm going to say it's going to take me a half an hour. So I'll click this to 11. I could click repeat here, and that would allow me to put some repeating things in there. For example, a staff meeting, I could repeat it weekly or whatever I wanted to do with that. For this one, I'm not going to worry about it. I'll just close it off and hit the X. I could enter a location. My office is where this is happening. I could give it a little bit more of a description here. Create a tutorial for Jamie. So I could give it a little more detail. I could add some event colors and some reminders and things like that if I chose to. For this one, I'm not going to worry about it. But here's another cool thing over here. There's a spot where it says enter email addresses. If you make an event and you want to invite people to it, you can add their emails here. They will get an email coming into their Gmail system that'll say, hey, Jeff created this event, do you want to attend? And you can click yes or no, and if you click yes, it automatically goes into your calendar. So actually I'm gonna, I don't know if this will work, but I'm gonna try to invite myself and see if I get that pop up. So I'm just start typing my name here, right there it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it, and you'll see that it's added right here. When I'm all done with it, I can simply click save, and it's saved on my event. Now normally, if it's not coming right to you, a little box will come up and tell you, hey, do you want to send this out to other people? And you're going to say yes. You'll notice right here at 10:30 there's create a Google Calendar that has a little arrow by it. If I click on it, this says, hey, are you going to it? Sure, I'm going to it. I can say yes, and it automatically made it part of my calendar. It's kind of a cool little thing. There are a few other things you can do with it, but for now I think that will be fine for what you need. If you have any questions or comments, give me a shout, and I'll see if I can help you out. Thanks.